In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot to take screenshots. This is super easy. All you have to do is open up Copilot on your PC, whether you have it closed or not, you can open it and you will find a plus when you start a new conversation. It can be in a new conversation or an existing conversation. So let's just do two examples. In a new conversation, you click the plus, and here you have take screenshot. It's going to minimize and allow you to take a screenshot on your PC. And I can just take a screenshot of this. You can see that it basically adds it to the chat. You can say, what is this? And it's going to tell you, for example, what is it telling me exactly, right? So you can do it that way. Another way is that you can use a tool on your PC, such as the snipping tool on your computer, and you can easily take screenshot as well. So I'm going to just take a screenshot of this as well and just basically say, what is this, for example? And you will see that you can Control V paste the image in your PC as well. And you can just ask Copilot what it is. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to how to take screenshots on your PC and maybe ask what it is, Copilot has this built in for you to take screenshots. And that's super easy and super convenient. And that's it.